Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Joyce and I post videos every single week. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to customize your own iOS 14 home screen. I know everyone's been going crazy about designing their home screen and I'm here to share how you guys can do it as well. I had so much fun learning and designing it myself, and I haven't seen anyone design it kind of like mine. I want to show you guys how I did it. I went for a very simple, pink, and cute aesthetic. So you're gonna see a lot of girl boss quotes along with some kawaii icons. I know with the icons, a lot of people have been using actual pictures to match their color scheme, but I went for this look because I thought it was super cute and bubbly. And I'm gonna share how I got those photos with you guys and how I customized those app pictures as well. Before I get started, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe down below, and let's get started. First thing you want to do is download the iOS 14 update. And if you guys don't know how to do that, you go to Settings, General, Software Update, and then if you see that there's an update, you would just click on Install. Next is to declutter all your apps and only keep the ones that you use on a daily basis. This is what my home screen looked like before. You have two options. One is to hold down on an app you don't need, click Edit Home Screen, and then click Move to App Library. To access your app library, all you need to do is swipe left and all of your apps will be there in alphabetical order. Second is to move all of your apps and then hide the page. To do that, you hold down on an app, click on the circles on the bottom that show your pages, and then deselect a page. Now those apps will be hidden from your home screen. Next, you'll want to download two apps, which is Widgetsmith and Color Widget. Widgetsmith is the app that will allow you to add widgets, which are those larger boxes you see on the screen. You can add photos, a calendar, step tracker, etc. And Color Widget allows you to have more colors for the larger time and battery widget on the first page. Next is the fun part where you decide your theme. Mine is a very simple pink and cute theme, and I've seen a lot of people design by following a color scheme, artist, or even a show. Go to Pinterest and start downloading photos you want to use for your home screen, widget, and icons. I decided to stick with the app icons but make them a little bit more bubbly, so I typed in cute icons on Pinterest and continued to find related images. For the widgets, I added either quotes to keep me motivated or some cute photos that tied in with the theme. If you want to be even more organized, you can create your own iOS board to keep track of the photos that you use. Of course, I'll have my Pinterest board in the description box if you guys want to use the same images as me. To add widgets, hold down on an app, click Edit Home Screen, and click the plus button on the top left corner. Scroll all the way down and click on Widgetsmith. On the app, you can choose from either small, medium, or large widgets, but for demonstration purposes, I'll add a small widget. And as you can see, a picture widget appeared. But what if I wanted a calendar or something else instead? To change the image or the widget, go to Widgetsmith, click Add a Small Widget, and set your preferences. Once that's done, hold down on the widget, click Edit Widget, and make sure you choose the widget that you just created. The calendar was widget number 5, but you can always rename these if it gets confusing. To customize the image of the apps, go to Shortcuts. Press the plus sign on the top right corner and select Scripting. Choose an app you want to customize. I'm going to choose Photos for this demonstration. Next, click on the button with 3 dots on the top right corner. Click the icon button and select the Choose Photo option. This is where you get to choose one of those photos you downloaded from Pinterest, and once you've adjusted to your liking, you can label the app. Mine is going to be Photos, and then hit Add and Done. On your home page, you're going to see your shortcut and the real app, so make sure you hold down on the old app and click Remove from Home Screen. And there you go. Keep repeating that process until you're satisfied with the final design. Now for color widgets, it's the same process as adding a widget, so go to Color Widgets app, select a design that you like, customize it to your liking. You can change the background, the theme, and the font. And when you're done, click Set Widget, and once again, hold down on the app, click Edit Home Screen, click the plus sign on the left-hand corner, search for color widgets, and then click Add Widgets. So that wraps up my video on how to customize your own iOS 14 home screen. I hope you guys found this very simple and easy to follow. If you guys do try this out, definitely send me a picture on Twitter or Instagram. I would love to see what your home screen looks like as well. And of course, I'm gonna have a link down below of my Pinterest board of all the images that I use for my icons and my wallpapers. So if you guys want, you can definitely recreate it yourself. I had so much fun filming and designing this home screen with you guys, and not gonna lie, I feel like my design is pretty cute. So let me know how it works out for you guys, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.